YouTube. 7 months ago, I made a video about the eBay throttle commander. It got a lot of views and a lot of attention, so I'm making a 7-month review. So I've had it for 7 months now. It's been really good. I would recommend it for Hemis. It definitely brings a lot of power that you didn't know was there. Like, it's just crazy if you put it in like the race mode and you just give her, like, it just instant power. It's crazy. In terms of the setup and display, it's been nothing but loyal. There's been no issues. Buttons all work, everything works, nothing's disconnected. Zero issues in terms of malfunctioning or anything and all that type of stuff. Zero issues with it. And it was the cheapest one. I know a lot of people want to buy the real name brand pedal commander, which is $400, and this is the exact same thing, and it's smaller. And it, like, I don't know, I think that's the biggest waste of money in my opinion, but you guys have your own opinions. But this, what was it, 70 bucks? I think I said it in my other video. If you haven't seen that one, guys, check that one out first, because that one gives you the how to set it up. I'll put it up here. We set her up 7 months ago, no issues. I can't tell you guys about gas mileage because there's no way for me to keep track of that really, and I've added so much stuff to my vehicle that makes it bad for gas, like big wheels, the roof rack, like light bar, all that stuff doesn't help your gas mileage. So my truck's terrible on gas. Luckily I don't drive far, so for work, so I can't give you guys the gas side of it. In my opinion, not facts, but in my opinion, if you had a stock Dodge, I think it would help you, because it makes you drive like a little girl or like an old person, not to be mean, but what it does is it just makes you push the pedal further down. So it pretty much gives you no power when you're in the lowest mode. So I could see it saving some gas, but not on if you got big mud tires and all that. There's no point. And nobody, like, this isn't gonna save you a crazy amount of gas either. In my case, it's not, with all these mods. But give it a try. If you have like a new one and it shows you all the miles per hour and stuff, maybe you could try it out for yourself. But this is definitely a must-have mod on your Hemi. Not even kidding. Like, this would be a first one I get. It's been unreal. Like, you want to take somebody to Gapplebee's, you throw her in race mode and barely press the pedal and you're flying. Like, it's crazy. Durability, it's been awesome. Everything, it's been awesome. No issues with anything. Like, there's literally zero negative to this thing. Make sure you get it for the right vehicle. You have to get it for the right vehicle. Get the right one for your right vehicle. And you have to make sure, like this, my Dodge is a 09. It's the very first 4th gen. So less electrical stuff than the new Dodges. So this doesn't interfere with anything. There's no, like, I haven't had an issue where it revs out without, like, I've heard people say your truck starts revving for no reason because of this. I haven't had that. Zero issues with this thing, like none. I'm not sponsored. I'm not like getting paid for this video. It's just there's been zero issues. It's a really good thing for the price. I don't think I would spend $400 on it though. That's a bit pricey, but you guys make money, so it's up to you guys. But yeah, this thing is unreal, guys. 7 months later, zero issues. I would 100% buy it if I were you. Mess around with the settings. I daily it in the lowest mode with a little bit of power, so P15. That's like that's where I've been dailying it on the lower setting as well, like the lowest one for the first like 4 months, and then I switched, gave myself a little more like gas or a little more speed there with the 0.5. But you put it in P39, you're flying with barely touching the gas. Like, it's you guys just got to try it for yourself. I don't think you guys will regret it, but make sure you get the right one, you put it in a good spot, you set it up properly, and you guys will be on your way to gapping people. But I know a lot of people say, why don't you just get a tune? like, I don't know, I never really messed with tunes. I'm not really going for a fast vehicle. I'm just trying to hit the trails with it. But even with like all the off-roading I've done, nothing wrong with this. Like, I've done a lot of off-roading. I've been door deep. Like, this thing is still good. So yeah, guys, that's all I wanted to say about it. Unfortunately, I can't show you the gas side, which kind of sucks, but you guys try it out for yourselves. It's really cheap. Check out the other video. You have to, because it has all the info in it about this guy, where I got it and all that. So thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate the video. If you found this helpful, leave a thumbs up. If you want to see more about the Ram and everything, hit the sub button, guys. We really appreciate it when you guys show us feedback. Thank you, guys. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments. See you guys in the next one. Peace.